everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Nina from the Forgotten Bookshop Girl, and today I'll bring you an unboxing. These are goodies from Daphne's diaries. They had this amazing sale on and I just really couldn't resist, and I just thought it would be a lot more fun if I shared this with you. So I've not looked inside. And this is so big, it only just kind of like fits on the table and kind of onto the camera. So let's just see. I've just opened this up to make it easier. So what is that? Let's see, how do I do this? How do I do this best? Let's just turn it around again. One moment. Okay. Right, let's just take this off. And oh, even just, can you just see the colours? The colours. Okay. Might have to take, what I'll do, maybe I'll take everything out of the box somehow. Not quite sure how. Give me one moment. I'll try and gently push it onto the table and get rid of the box. One moment. There we go, that's better. Oh look, they've even got on their tissue paper, it says Daphne's diaries. Okay. I don't want to rip it at all because I want to use every little bit of it. Well, I don't think that was going to work. Never mind, let's just open it up. I need to turn it the other way around, I think. Let's do that. Ta-da! Oh! I don't believe it! Look, I got an advent calendar! And it's perfect because tomorrow is the 1st of December, so I can actually use my advent calendar. Okay, and look at this beautiful little note. How gorgeous is this? I love it. This is so cute. So super cute. I have to find, oh, this is so gorgeous. I have to find some really special. Oh, I know. I'm going to hang it up just above. Sorry, that's a dog in the background. That's I'm going to hang it up just above my desk because I'm about to create a winter mood board for my for the wall on my desk, and it's exactly I wanted to do it in these colours. So this is perfect. Right, let's put this to one side, and then I've got this really cute little card. Oh, this is so beautiful. Sorry, this is going to take forever. And then just some bits and pieces. I have to have a closer look later. Oh, this is so gorgeous. Very, very gorgeous. Okay, let's put that over here. Okay, so I've got where shall I? See, I don't even know where to start. Okay, this is, I think, was it last year's, Christmas magazine, and it just looked so super gorgeous that I thought I have to have it because I want to have lots of Christmas inspirations and things I would love to do for Christmas. So I thought, let's just go for that one. Oh, I'm in heaven, totally in heaven. Okay, let's just have a quick look at this one. That's this year's. Oh, just look, isn't that the cutest little drawing ever? I can't tell you, I can't wait to just have time and sit down and with a nice cup of coffee and maybe a biscuit, and then look through the magazine. I think that's, oh, and there are more little cards in here. I think that's going to be, no, because it's the first Advent weekend. This is my Advent weekend plan. See, I'm lost for words. And there's another one in here. I've got two. This is so exciting. Right. Okay, so I've got these two. Then, oh, I've ordered some. Would that be? Just, it's getting darker. Just checking. Do we have enough light there? Hope so. I hope so. Let's just check. What's this? Ooh. Thank you. Oh, I've forgotten what I ordered. What are these? Oh yeah, I remember. These are little vintage I think like woodland animal stickers. Oh, they are so super gorgeous. Oh my goodness, this is just, yeah, I did say they had an amazing sale on. Let's put that back later, and let's have that over here. And then we've got the sticker book. Yeah, I know, I got two sticker books. Oh my gosh, look, I can sticker everything. Isn't that, oh look. Oh my god. This is so gorgeous. Okay, so two gorgeous sticker books. And then the paper pocket. Yeah, and I got two of the, oops, sorry. I got two of the paper pockets because, yeah, the sale. The sale. Could probably do with, what did I do with the scissors? I'm not quite sure. Gone. Hang on, how do I do this? There we go. I think that should work. I've got the dog between my feet because of my excited voice. She thinks something really exciting is happening, which it is, but it's not exciting for you know, obviously from the dog's point of view. But anyway, that's her. Right, let's have a quick. How do you open? Oh, there at the top. At the top. Ah. Oh. Oops. So I've got this really beautiful paper bag. Then this probably tells me lots of things. I don't know if it's. Oh no, that's just a paper pocket. I'm not going to read this now. And then, ooh, lots of bits of total gorgeousness in here. Absolute. Oh, that is cute. I've got a photo album. It's getting really dark now. Really hope you can see. Because just listening to my voice, not being able to see anything, would be very boring. All of these, I think these are more stickers. Whoops. Gorgeous stickers. All of these papers. Gosh, I'm really looking forward to using them in journals. Oh, you could also use these to write letters. That would be really nice. Let's just, oh, there we go. Oh, that's cute. So lots of gorgeous bits of paper. I'll have to look through these later. But lots of foldy things and pencils, and I've got these. These little recipe cards, or not quite sure. I have to have a look. I'll probably look at the labels. These are invitations you can cut out, and you've got somewhere where you can get lost if you wanted to. So we've got the collection. Oh, I could probably put things in there. It could be my collection. Oh, that would make a really nice journal too. And then we've got all of these very gorgeous papers. I suppose you could use these for wrapping paper or for journal making, of course. Oh, gorgeous! Absolutely gorgeous. I need to look through these bit by bit later, because I really don't want to bore you with going through all of these. But yes, this is totally gorgeous. Absolutely. I'm a very, very, very happy person. Okay, well, thank you very, very much for letting me share my Daphne diary unboxing. And I'm just sorry, I just got distracted again. It's Christmas shopping in Prague. Wouldn't I just want to go right now? If there was a ticket in here taking me to Prague to do Christmas shopping. My dad was born in Prague. I've been there yeah, a few years ago, and I absolutely loved it. Yeah, I wish I could go again. So I'm looking forward to reading all of this, and it just looks fantastic. So all I can say is, you know, buy something from their website. It's just, oh my gosh, it's just absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So, or if they are, they're ever having another sale, it's definitely, you know, go there. This was definitely a totally crazy sale. So, yeah, go and have a look. Yeah, so I'm a very happy person now. White chocolate mousse. I think I have to try this one. I think I have to try this one. Okay, anyway, before this gets any longer, oh, beautiful, any longer, I'll say goodbye for this video. Hope you have a fabulous day, and thanks for sticking around with me for this. Bye!